together. You act so curious, but
guys, I'm just about to do my hair. I'm gonna curl up my hair so tomorrow when I wake up, everything can be tight in my
Chris, by the way. Welcome back to my vlog. If it's the first time here, hi, my name is Zena. So today we are heading to Jamaica and we're leaving from Heathrow. I'm currently at the airport, so let's travel together. I really wanted to pre-order a few bits from Heathrow, but the items that I wanted was going for a different terminal. So I'm currently at Terminal 3 and the other items are actually at Terminal 5. So I didn't place it over and instead I just walked through the usual duty-free that we have here at Terminal 3 and got some of the bits. So I bought a perfume and I bought some makeup. So I'll show you guys a few bits that I got. And also the gate just came up on the screen, so I'm just making my way to get to the gate. Well, I didn't get to show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing this scarf that I got in Amsterdam. This, I don't know what you call it. I don't know what you call this, but it's like a crafted slash scarf. And I'm wearing it just as a crowbar, and I'm wearing a white paired with this gorgeous white linen set. But I am so sleepy. I went to bed at like 2 AM because I had recurved my hair last night. And I was just doing like final cutting, just making sure that I had no liquids in my carry-on and stuff like that. But the flight is pretty large. You can see from behind me, it's full. And this is just the last group waiting. Everyone else is already boarding. So once they pull my group, then we can go in together. But I'm really excited to go to Jamaica. I haven't been home in over 2 years now, so it's about time that I go and see my family and friends. But I just always said to myself that the next time I go to Jamaica, I either need to go there. I always said to myself, I just promised myself that I wouldn't book a flight to Jamaica because I wanted to see the rest of the world. So last year I was able to see 6 countries, and I also wanted to invest in my property as well as start new business ventures. So subscribe to see what we're gonna do on this trip. I was able to grab these from this place.
Sorry, these.
I'm going bed. I'm actually going bed. Hopefully they have some good movies. Born there, I haven't been there in a while, like 3 years. I'm gonna island hop around, so I'm starting this one to the bed. Are you gonna go FOF? I know. I don't think I'm gonna get it. I don't know. Is it on the Saturday of FOF? Is it this Saturday? That's no, it's on the Saturday. It's the same day. I don't know if my God is number one. So when I be here, I don't FOF. I don't know. Hey guys, so I'm actually going to go on the ride and I was in now. Got my hair tied on because I just want to keep my hair as flat as possible until I get there. But this is what I'm wearing. I didn't get to do a proper outfit of the day with you guys. I'm wearing this white linen two-piece set with this cover-up shawl that I got from Zara, and I'm wearing this wooden bag here with some trainers. Hey guys, so I just made a little bread and then we'll for dinner. So we got this bread, we got some, this looks like, what is this? What is this? It's like a salad? I don't know what grain of rice that is. This is piping hot. It's like mashed potato, chicken and leek casserole. I've never had that in my life. We've got some chocolate and orange. We've got some macho cheddar cheese. And we've got some chocolate biscuits. I also got another glass of rosé. And I'm so sad. Shutting up my house. This is what I hate with 14 and 15 ml lashes. Like, babe, why are you in my makeup? What's on your business? Like, why are you?
That was sound so bad.
I know.
You didn't have to do that.
It's not me, it's the lash.
You didn't have to do that.
What, should I have kept my eyes closed?
Yeah,
own one of that? Do you own that? I mean, you are a lash technician.
Oh, my ears are like it.
Just a little eyebrow, little foundation, and I'm outside.
Are you sure you don't want to go?
Yeah, I do. I want one. Come on.
Do you want to bounce? It's alright.
Come on, man. Is it your first time going to Jamaica? No? Third? Oh, are you excited?
Yeah, I love it.
It's a good vibe, isn't it? And the food is good as well.
It's really nice. What are you saying?
Iberia Star. Yeah, that's a good one. And they have loads of entertainment as well during the day and stuff. Like you're here for a long time or a short time? Girl. What?
How long should we go?
3 days.
If you go down some point, it's been like 5
You're winning at life. Give me your game card. Give me your game card like yesterday. What? Have you been to Shanghai, Tokyo? Bali? Or Thailand?
It's only like rapid flight.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's lovely. So your dad just brings you along?
But that's still a great experience for you though, like to see different cultures.
Yeah.
Did you take her out school?
I'll take that from today.
Yeah. It's just one day though, because you guys are on hard terms,
Yeah,
isn't
it's
it?
2 weeks off.
No, you're winning.
Yeah.
That's so lovely.
Your friends must be like, where you off tonight?
Where should I take you now?
But enjoy it.
Honestly.
Enjoy it. As much as you can. Have you got any like must-visit destination like that you desperately want to go that he hasn't flown to us yet? Look at you! She said Maldives! What? That's like a honeymoon destination. Where you get to Maldives to do now? There's nothing there to do. Like,
It's very beautiful.
It's
I'm not
very-
there to sit there. No.
I want to go before it gets flooded. I feel like we're not going to have it in a couple of years. Sadly.
Why would you say that?
Because global warming, babe. Well, you're not in my vlog, don't worry. I do YouTube. I'll just... Okay, you guys You even said hi to the vlog. You gonna say hi to the vlog? Hey, Jada's vlog. See you guys at FOI.
If you have any spare change or foreign currency to donate to our passport to change your meals, please take a visit to the charity episode of the Scraps About.
What?
The flight! I'm home. I can't believe it. Look at me with everything in my hand, but I can't believe that I am home. Like, I'm literally screaming on the inside. If I could cry on camera, one would have stayed all of my clients Tuesday now, but we can't deal with that like this. I'm about to reach home when I home and the place warm and nice. The heater woke me up, so I already took off my leggings. Somebody put on this morning, and I'm gonna probably change and take off this in a minute. We're just we want to cut it early because I know AJ don't care about all of that. So now, my love, AJ says tomorrow for all of that. One of my wheels them gone clean. Somebody see the one wheel come around. Somebody say, you're wheel that me, so you're crazy. Them with the mad. So when I take a look, lo and behold, am I wheel that come around, yes?
What them say?
I'm never make a claim on that. Yeah, we'll just one park and find the apartment now. Much I'm at there, be someone there.